I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power and removing extras so you isolate the display problem. Hold the power button for 10 seconds to force a full shutdown, then wait 5 seconds and restart. Unplug the charger and disconnect any HDMI, DisplayPort, USB-C docks, or external monitors to rule out output conflicts. Make sure brightness keys aren't at 0. Once done, note any fan or LED behavior. That tells you if the machine is powering the display subsystem. Next, you verify software causes. Boot into recovery or safe mode using ESC plus refresh plus power to see if the screen shows a recovery screen. That isolates hardware. Try a soft reset by pressing refresh plus power to restart the display driver. Open settings and confirm resolution, display detection, and mirror/extended display options. Disable HDR or adaptive brightness if present. If a recent update caused it, consider a rollback or power wash as a last software resort, but back up your data first. Finally, you tackle hardware. Test the GPU output by connecting an external monitor via HDMI or USB-C. If that works, the GPU is fine and the internal panel or cable is suspect. If comfortable, open the case and reseat the display ribbon cable. Power off and remove the battery first. Look for backlight signs with a flashlight at an angle to detect image without backlight. If it remains blank, arrange warranty service or professional repair, and mention any drops or liquid exposure as key diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.